Hi, I'm Corin, your virtual health coach. Today I want to talk about healing your skin with natural soaps. Your skin has 7 layers and is an organ. Did you know that? It's sensitive to harsh cleansers that contain chemicals. There is a natural solution to washing away bacteria. You can keep your hands, body, dishes, counters, tubs, basins, clothes, furniture, and car sparkly clean by using natural soaps that contain plant and herb-based ingredients. Almost every grocery and drugstore carries natural products. It's fun taking the time to search for these special soaps in each section of the markets. They are derived by the earth's most natural, essential cleansers, are cruelty-free, animal-friendly, essential oils, and organic botanicals. I switched over to these products years ago for everything I keep clean. My skin has thanked me by appearing and feeling soft. My mood has changed for the better as I am more relaxed because I am using pure ingredients with no harmful cleansers. Just beautiful, fresh, and revitalizing. I highly recommend you do the switch too. Your skin won't be disappointed and will thank you gratefully from the epidermis to the core of its existence. Thank you for watching.